Hello everyone, my name is Cyrus Warner and this is my solo Capstone project bug tracker. Bug tracker has two main goals. The first goal being to provide a user-friendly interface for anyone looking to track bugs in their software, and the second goal being to provide a free platform for software developers where they can easily communicate with each other and track bugs in their software. Moving on to bug tracker technologies. Bug tracker utilizes 7 different APIs and has a React JavaScript frontend, a ASP.NET Core Web API backend, FrameMotion API for page transitions, Email.js API to allow users to send emails to each other within the website, Chat Engine IO API to allow users to chat with each other within the website, Full Calendar API to allow users to add events to a calendar on the website, React Testing Library API for React unit testing. Currently, I have 71 unit tests, but I'm always adding more unit tests as my program advances. Then I have Toastify API for notifications, Bootstrap for a grid layout, and CSS to design the containers and the titles of the website. Moving on to the actual home of the website. On the home website, we have 3 sections. First section we have is the add new board section. Then we have the your board section and the board invitation section. The add new board section is where user can add a new board. If I go ahead and click add board, you'll see we have form validation. And this is the same type of form validation that I have on all forms on the website. I can go ahead and add something and the validation will appear and disappear. Then on the right side, we have board invitations where a user can accept a board invitation or decline a board invitation. So if I were to go ahead and accept this invitation, scroll all the way to the right, you'll see that board now appears in my boards. But if I were to deny it, that board invitation will be declined and it will not appear here. And if I accept the last one, it will appear here. Then the title also changes to you have no board invitations since the user currently has no board invitations. Moving on to the actual board home. If we go ahead and click on Renium devCodeCamp, you'll see on the board home, we have the board title, board description with a new bug title, new bug description inputs, and the add bug button in the left column. And in the right column, we have all the bugs listed for this board. If we were to go ahead and click on the edit icon for this bug, you'll see I can edit the bug title, the bug description, or I can mark that bug as complete. If I go ahead and mark it as complete, you'll see the text will change from bug in progress to bug completed. And then if I were to want to change it back, I could just go right here, click bug complete, click update bug, and it'll change it right back to bug in progress. Moving on to the invite users section of the website. In the left column, you'll see I have an email search with an add user button. And on the right side, you'll see I have all the board users displayed on cards in a list. If I were to go ahead and search a user after removing this user, I can go ahead and search a user and you'll see that that user's email will pop up right here. I can go ahead and click it, and then I can go ahead and click add user, and it'll add that user right here to my board users. If I want to remove this user, I can go ahead and click this icon right here to remove a user, and that user will be removed from the list. And if I wanted to edit a user's role, I can go ahead and click this edit icon right here and change their role to either admin or user. And then if I want to change their role back, I can do the same thing. And then you'll notice that not all users actually have this edit icon for a role. It's because this is the board owner, so no edit role icon for them. And then the user that has not accepted their board invitation actually cannot get an edit icon until they have accepted their board invitation. And then moving on to the notes section of the website, you'll see currently this user has 2 notes with edit icons and delete icons. So I would go ahead and click this edit icon. You'll see I can edit the note title or the note description. And then I can go ahead, I can just change this one to login form notification display. Click save note and you'll see it'll automatically be updated right there. And then if I want to remove that note, I can go ahead and click delete note. You'll see a modal will appear and ask me if I am sure I want to delete this note card. I can go ahead and click delete note and it'll be removed automatically. Then if I want to add a new note card, I can go ahead and click this modal right here and just type in the information for the new note card. Moving on to the view calendar section of the website built using the full calendar API. On the left side, you see I have a show table view, new event or bug modal, and a bulk add button for CSV files. And on the right side, we actually have the full calendar with all the events listed. So if you go ahead and look right here, you'll see I have on these different days, I can click on a day and you'll see I have event title, event assignee, and event date with the trash icon. If I were to remove that event, you'll see it'll be removed successfully. And I'll go ahead and remove all these. Then if I go ahead and go to the show table view, you'll see we have event title, event assignee, and event date with a search bar for ease of use. Currently, these are both empty as there are no events, but if I go and click choose file, choose a CSV file, click bulk add, you'll see they'll be added right back to the calendar view, and they'll be added right back to the table view. The assignee field is, the event assignee field is can actually be empty if you're just scheduling an event. And then if I wanted to actually just add a single event or bug, I can just go here, choose an event or bug, type in an assignee if I want one, add a date. We'll say this event or bug date is for the 21st. Click add, and you'll see it'll be added right here. And if I wanted to just move this around, I can go ahead and move it to whatever day I want. Currently, the date is September 9th, the September 21st. And if I were to go ahead and move this right to the 29th, you'll see it'll be updated right there. I can go ahead and move it right back, and the date will change, and the date will be changed automatically. Moving on to the chat section of the website, you see I have two people currently chatting in here. One of them being me, one of them being another user named Avian. And you'll see that I typed hello everyone, hello, and they responded with hi, how are your tasks going? A user can actually go here, add new chats with whoever they want to add to a chat. You can have as many chats as you would like, and the owner of the chat can actually remove people as they like. Moving on to the chat email section, built using email.js API. You'll see I have a from email, which is an input that is read only, displaying the user who is currently logged in email. And if I were to go ahead and enter a board user's email right here, type in my own personal email, and just enter a message for the email and click send email, that email will be sent. And then you'll also see if I click send email with no information in any of the input boxes, you'll see a notification pop up that will say, please enter recipient email and message right here. But if I were to go ahead and go to my inbox and refresh, you'll see that message will pop up right here with the from email and the message right here. Moving on to the logout link. After I click the logout link, it'll clear the local storage, log the user out. It'll bring me straight to the login form. And if I don't want to log in, I can either access the sign up button here, or I can access the not registered, register here link here, which will take me to the sign up form. Both have the same type of validation as shown right here. And that actually concludes my project. If anyone has any questions, you can go ahead and contact me on LinkedIn at Cyrus-Warner, or contact me via Gmail at cyruswarner27@gmail.com. Thank you for viewing my presentation.